My version of the French classic, salmon with sorrel cream, but we're doing it on the grill. This dish is all about the sorrel. This is red sorrel. But we want to remove the spines because this sauce cooks quick. This dish is delicate. That's a piece of wild Alaskan sockeye. And all it needs is salt and always white pepper for fish. Fish is too delicate for black pepper. And because we're cooking this on the grill, a little oil for insurance so the fish doesn't stick. On both sides, a clean, well-oiled grill will ensure this fish really doesn't stick. Skin side down most of the way. This is too delicate to flip more than once. And if you f it up like me, don't try and move it, just wait. When that fish is ready to release, it will naturally release. This classic sauce is simply shallots and white wine. Classically Sancerre, but any white wine will do. Once your wine has reduced, heavy cream. Only heavy cream will do, the best you can get. Get that cream rolling, add your sorrel, and season it up. That's it. That's your sauce. Sorrel is naturally lemony and goes perfect with any fish. But the classic is always salmon, and a lemon is a perfect garnish for sorrel.
Whoa.
What's not to like?
The charred skin gives it some good f***ing flavor, you gotta admit.
It's a classic for a reason.
You want every drop of that cream sauce. You don't want to lose a bit of it.
I'm not even saying anything else. That's how f***ing good it is.
Color is flavor. That charred skin had some color.